a person with her utility function u equals to min of this thing has convex but not strictly convex preferences. So you need to plot these curves. Okay, so min of x1 plus x2 and 2x1 plus x2. So this is utility equals to min of x plus 2y comma 2x plus y. So we have done situations like this. So we said that the utility reports x plus 2y if x plus 2y is less than 2x plus y, which basically implies y is less than x, and it will report 2x plus y whenever 2x plus y is less than x plus 2y, which implies that your x is less than y. After that, what we do is we plot the consumption set, in that we draw the line x equals to y. To the right we have x greater than y. To the left we have x less than y. Now we see that whenever x is less than y, utility function reports 2x plus y. So here you have utility equals to 2x plus y, and here you will have utility equals to x plus 2y. So the slope here is going to be equal to 2. The slope here is going to be equal to half. Okay, so slope 2 here and slope half here. Okay, now if I connect any two points like this, all the points are between are strictly preferred, but if I connect points like these, all the points are indifferent. So all the intermediate points can either be strictly preferred if the case is the red case here, or all the points could be weakly preferred if the case is the blue case here. Okay, so you can have either of the situations. So that's why it is not strictly convex. It is weakly convex preferences. It is not strictly convex. So that's why the answer is true.